Wolf Thermidor. I just love him. I cannot explain how much I love him. He's so sweet, so caring. I love his personality. Oh my God, I don't even know what to say. Même si m'ta prend tout temps pour m'ta exprimer comment que m'aime pour façon que lié, pour moi-même penser que le même parce qu'il aime tête li. I just love him and he completes me. I want to spend the rest of my life with him.
The way I love you. I don't think the word love is enough for me to describe you. I don't think the word love is good enough, but I'm gonna try my best to make it happen. I cannot wait once the pastor say I now describe your husband and wife to kiss the juicy lips of yours. I mean, even I've done it quite a few times, but it's gonna be different this time. I love you. I cannot wait to be your husband, and I cannot wait for you to be my wife. Through a lot, ups and downs, to this day. It has officially come. With Sandom is here. You will officially be my wife. And may the Lord bless us. I know it's not gonna be an easy process, and it's not gonna be fun. What I know for sure is that with you on my side, and us, of course God above it all, we can conquer anything.
I have been screaming, shouting. That's how happy I am because she's really grew up together, and I'm very, very happy for her. And we're awesome about this day. I'm seeing this day today, and she's happy. She's married the love of her life, and I am very, very, very.
Would you dance
for being a stable person to my life, a great friend, and even better, like a brother. And Wisdom, I think we all can agree. Look, you look amazing tonight. So this is glory tonight. Actually, we can go into all funny stories, you know, like the bad haircuts and the stupid things we've done. But I would like to focus on the small move that Wolf ever made. The first small move that he ever made, actually, he's a great friend. And the relationship that he has with his family and his career, all that is a reflection of a great man that he's become. Well, I mean, I'm always going to be by his side, and I always look up to him as a brother.
I can kiss away the pain. I will stand by you forever. You can take my breath away. Would you swear that you'll always be mine? Or would you lie? Would you run and hide? Am I in too deep? Have I lost my mind? I don't care, you're